What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Dubois Family Dinner. We like to eat well on a budget.
Today we are going to be making banana bread. So for this recipe, you're going to need 2 bananas, and you can smush them up beforehand if you want. I like to just put them in the mixer and let the mixer do the work. But you want to make sure your bananas are pretty ripe so you get that good banana flavor. So you're going to do 2 bananas and smush them up. Okay, after your bananas are mostly smushed, you're going to add 1 cup of sugar. Good job. And a 1/2 cup of olive oil. Good job. And you're also going to add 1 egg. And let that mix up. To that, you're going to add a cup and 3/4 of flour. You want to put some in? 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Good job. You want to do one more?
One more.
Good job. Good helping. Here you go. You can have it. You can have it, little. About a teaspoon or 2 of cinnamon, depending on how cinnamony you like them. And then a dash of salt. And then once again, you will mix that together. Once it's all mixed together, we are going to fill our muffin tin. I like to use a cookie scoop, and I just put 1 scoop in each tin. After our muffin tin is filled up, we are just going to put it in the oven to bake at 350 for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, we are going to pull out our banana muffins. And then we are going to take them out of the muffin tin right away. And we like to brush the tops with butter. You can melt butter if you want and dip them in. But then we dip it in some cinnamon sugar. So that is how we make our banana muffins. Thanks for watching.